What's going on? It's Sean. We're back at it again. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can live in your own home for free.
Here we go.
If you are finding my channel for the first time, we're all about self-help and entrepreneurship. So if that's something that interests you, I encourage you to subscribe. With that out of the way, let's jump right into it. So much like the last video, and if you haven't seen it, you should go check it out. You're going to be buying a property and you're going to be living in it and you're going to be renting out the other space. But here's the catch. Unlike the first video where you're buying a single family home and renting out the rooms, this strategy, you're going to buy a multifamily. And what I mean by a multifamily, it's a property with more than one unit. So it's going to have separate utilities, separate baths, separate kitchens. So maybe you saw the last video and you're like, yeah, I'm not renting out my room. I'm not sharing my kitchen and my bathrooms with people in the same house. Well, here's the advantage of doing it with a multifamily. You can separate that stuff. And the beautiful thing is you can buy a small multifamily property with an FHA or first-time homebuyer's loan, which requires you only to put low to no money down. So it's an excellent way to get started in real estate investing. So for this example, I'm going to use really easy numbers. Let's say you buy a 4-unit property and you live in 1 unit and your mortgage is $3,000. Now, for this example, let's say you rent out units 2, 3, and 4 for $1,200 a piece. Well, that gives you a total income from that property of $3,600. So you take that $3,600 of income from those other units and you subtract your mortgage, which we said was $3,000. So you're canceling out your mortgage plus you're putting $600 in your pocket. Now there's always going to be expenses like vacancy, which is when people aren't living there, repairs, property management, and things like that. But I will cover all those expenses that you're going to need to track and really be aware of in order to get into real estate investing in another video. So really, this is a super easy way to get started in real estate investing without sacrificing the privacy of having your own home. You're having your own apartment, you're living there for no or low money down, and you're making money. This is the way that I personally got started in real estate investing. So I'm a little biased when it comes to real estate investing strategies, especially house hacking, but I only say that because I know it works and I know the power of it. So myself, I bought a duplex, I lived in one side and I rented the other side out and my mortgage was paid for. Now that I've moved out, I cash flow money from that property because the mortgage is covered by my tenants and then some. So I'm earning passive income from that property and it's super, super powerful. So if you're thinking about getting started in real estate investing, this is the best strategy to get started in my opinion. And if you ever have any questions related to real estate, please drop them in the comments. I have my direct email in the description box below, so don't be afraid to email me. I'm more than happy to help. This is why I make these videos, to help you, and I want to see you succeed. So if you like this video, if you got something out of it, hit that thumbs up button and make sure you share it. This tells YouTube that it was a good video and it pushes it out so more people could see it. And you never know who just may need to see it. So I appreciate you. I'll catch you next time. Signing off.